Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone and software. This matters because the iPhone 13 Pro Max lacks a native always-on feature. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% or connect a charger, keeping the screen on drains power. Next, go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and enable Tap to Wake and Raise to Wake. These first steps make the display responsive without unlocking. They do not create a true always-on display, but they prepare the device for the next workaround. Now you'll use guided access to mimic an always-on display. This is the core workaround. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access and turn it on. Set a passcode and enable the accessibility shortcut so you can triple-click the side button to start or end sessions quickly. Launch the app or screen you want visible, choose a black wallpaper or widgets, and triple-click to begin guided access. Make sure screen sleep is allowed while session is active. This keeps the display awake without constant interaction. Finish by optimizing battery use. Lower brightness, choose a mostly black wallpaper, and if needed, enable low power mode. This reduces background activity and helps the display last longer. Remember that guided access keeps the screen awake but drains battery, so monitor temperature and unplug if it gets hot. If guided access exits or the screen still sleeps, restart the phone, confirm guided access passcode and accessibility shortcut are set, and update iOS. These fixes resolve most unexpected timeouts or interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.